When it comes to making money, if compounding's so easy, how come nobody does it? And that's really the problem of what your IFA, your wealth manager, doesn't actually explain to you, because they don't understand psychology. And it's one of the reasons people delay investing or saving until it's too late. The reason people don't bother with compounding or starting sooner is because the benefits of compounding come far later in life, and delayed gratification is something which most of us are trained behaviorally not to do. You can have one donut now. Who's going to wait a year for 2 donuts? Okay, essentially. But it's been shown in studies that those personalities which are more willing and able to delay gratification do better in life and are more successful. The other reason compounding we tend not to do is if you're young, you want to have fun. You don't want to spend the money in an ISA. You want to go out and go to the movies, go on holidays, whatever else. There is a great book, The 4-Day Week, which you'll have come across, I'm sure, which shows you how with relatively small sums of money, you can still have all of that. It might be a Ryanair flight from Stansted instead of British Airways business class. And so you get the best of both worlds. Save a bit of money, spend, enjoy your life. Another reason why people don't do the whole compounding and investing and growing their pensions is because they've got relatively small sums in their younger years. But the thing is, it's those small sums which, because they're investing for longer, can make you more money, and why more people ought to be doing it sooner, even with small sums. The other benefit of starting sooner is not just the growth over time when you're older and you really need the money and you want to retire. It's also because the sooner you start, the sooner you'll learn the skills of investing. It's a lot easier to learn something new at a young age than at an old age. But here's a few more tips for you. When you're young, you think you're going to live forever, and you think life's going to be wonderful. As you get older, you realize, well, I wish I had FU money put away so I could say to the boss, I'm not doing this anymore, and I want to retire and stop doing this. It's another reason to compound, but they don't appreciate the psychological benefits of doing it because nobody's ever bothered to explain it. If you want to learn more about investing, but also overcoming the hurdles of investing, go to alpeshpatel.com, and you'll even get a free educational pension portfolio review. Thank you.